Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly clear the cache files for your Elementor on WordPress if the application or the plugin itself is not working. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first step that you guys need to take is you want to make sure that you're logged into your WordPress account as an administrator. So once you guys are here, once you're in the dashboard and you have Elementor installed, the page that you want to get access to is Tools. So Tools is right here under the Elementor tab. So when you guys hover over this setting right here, you'll see Tools. So by clicking on this, you'll be redirected to this page here where you get to sync your library files, enable safe mode, do maintenance, do a check for version control, replace URLs and whatnot, and so on and so forth. So the button that we're looking to press here is this one right here, the one that says regenerate CSS and data. So what this effectively does is clear our cache files and make sure that the Elementor plugin is running much more efficiently and from scratch. So this way, it gets rid of any prefetch files that may run whenever you guys open your WordPress. But I'm not going to do this. I'm just showing you guys just how to do it in case your Elementor plugin is not working fine. But in my case, it's actually doing just fine, so it won't do it. But basically, this is what you want to press. And it shows here, it reads styles set in Elementor are saved in CSS files, in the uploads folder, and in the sites database. So you can recreate those files and settings according to the most recent settings. So by clicking on this, it will effectively get rid of any cache files that you may have installed in the past or that have been saved in your Elementor plugin. And yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.